In this video, we're doing one of the most popular updates on our 911S. On our 991.1, we are going from the orange ones to the LED ones. We've already done one side, and I can tell you it looks a million times better. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, the first step is to use some automotive painter's tape. We have some 3M auto green tape right here. And what we did is we taped up this area and we made sure that we went ahead and put the tape all the way in there, and we actually doubled up. And this is gonna protect and make sure that when we're taking it out or using a tool, we don't hurt anything. So everybody says this is easy. On the other side, it was pretty difficult, and the reason why is because the harness length, it was very short. So disclaimer that yours could be the same way, but what you're supposed to do, you're simply supposed to push this direction. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna be pushing this way while trying to push out this edge right here. If you flip this over, you see this little tab right here. What we're trying to do is we're trying to push this part in and then trying to kind of work it out and pop it out. And see, ours is not easy. Other people's just came right off. Ours is not. So we're gonna get a tool. Oh, we almost had it. All right, we got this one out like this. As you can see, this is as far as it's gonna go. So our harness is very short. We're not sure why, but we're gonna press on the release button for the actual clip and see if it can let go of the light. Boom, and it's out. As you can see, our harness doesn't come out that far. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and we're going to connect our connector first. And using my pick, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it in until I hear a snap. Just like that. And now, what we have to do, this is pretty easy stuff right here. We have to push it in, come out, and it's in. Now, I bought these at suncoastparts.com. It's the place where I buy all my Porsche parts. Great people, they package stuff well. This looks so awesome. No wonder this is the first popular mod or upgrade you should do to your 911. This looks great. Hope this video helps you guys out. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button. We appreciate it. You guys take care, and we'll talk to you soon.